The following segment is sponsored by Cricut.
Summer decor often gets stuck in a predictable cycle of starfish mobiles and seashell trinket trays. But what if your home could capture this season's carefree spirit, reflecting your unique personality? Sabrina Soto is here to share how you can DIY your way to a picture-perfect summer decor. Welcome in, Sabrina. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Thank you for having me.
Oh, I'm so glad that you're here. This is a really fun topic. So let's start with, how do you capture the essence of summer through decor?
So imagine walking through your front door and just being wrapped in a warm hug from summer itself, where everywhere you look, there's this vibe of relaxation and sunshine, like you bottled up all the good vibes and sprinkled them around your space. And we're talking bright colors, light fabrics, beachy accents to create a paradise at home, even if your only adventure is going from your couch to the fridge. It's the creativity and DIY projects to make your home become a chill out zone for sunny days.
I love that. I love that. I can already see myself enjoying summer right now.
Me too.
How can people personalize their home decor to reflect their personal style?
Well, that's the thing. Have you ever gone to a friend's house and it just feels like them? That's the magic of personalizing your space. So maybe you have a stunning centerpiece maybe you made, or a throw pillows with a funny saying. DIY projects like this bring personality, a burst of personality to your space. Cricut Maker 3 is going to be your DIY sidekick. It teams up with Cricut Design Space app to turn your ideas into reality, from custom greeting cards to personalized t-shirts. It goes beyond paper. It cuts through fabric for sewing. It engraves metal for unique gifts and embosses leather for a touch of luxury. And the coolest part is they have official partnerships with Disney, Star Wars, Marvel, and a whole bunch of other amazing brands through the Cricut Access subscription on Cricut Design Space app. So you can add your favorite characters to anything you want to create. Just remember, my daughter and I use Cricut Maker 3 all the time. It's super fun and super easy to use. It's always a good idea to have an adult around if the little ones want to get involved.
I love this so much. My mom and I love Cricut, so I thank you for sharing with
Awesome.
that. What are your top DIY home decor trends this season?
Okay, so I made a few projects I want to show you. Imagine going to your friend's house for a pool party. You get there and you have your own personalized pool floaty. I made this super simple using Cricut Maker 3 stencils. And I also made another fun project for either a beach day or a pool party. You can make a personalized towel for your guests, or even one for yourself. For something for fashion, you're going to see it all summer long. The bucket hat is back. It is back. You're going to see it. So I made this really fun little pattern on the bucket hat, which is really fun. For me, nothing says summer like a s'mores kit. This caddy was so fun making the stencil, making s'more memories. It's so fun. But the personalized little touch is these skewers with your guest's name on it. They could use them while they're at your house and then take them home at the end of the day. But my favorite project on this entire table is this dress was made using Cricut Maker 3. It cuts through fabric. You can make your own patterns. My daughter loves dresses. She also has tons of dolls, so you can have a matching dress and you can have a matching doll dress for her. I just love Cricut Maker 3. It allows you to get that high-end luxury look for a lot less.
Awesome, Sabrina. Where can everyone go for more information?
For more information, for ideas, go to Cricut.com.
Thank you so much, Sabrina.
Thank you for having me.